Yesterday I got kicked out of the state park. They told me the fire pits were for the Boy Scouts. So today I'm here in the backyard and we're gonna do a cooking video. Okay, we're gonna get ready. The first thing we're gonna do is get this fire going. Stick with me. Alright, here we go. We're gonna use the old fatwood trick. Best trick in the business. This is pretty good stuff. I harvested this myself in the local state park. So we're just gonna chop up some little pieces here, and then we're gonna grind down some of these shavings here so our spark will have something to catch on. It's my go-to way to start a fire nowadays, because this kindling, this tinder, you can find right in the woods, and it works even in damp conditions. Let me show you guys what I've got. Here's my backpack, because I would just take all this stuff to the woods to do this, but some people don't want me there. Here's some seasoning. It's garlic, parsley, salt and pepper in a different bag. I'm going to be making salmon today. I've got some spuds. I'm going to make some garlicky mashed potatoes. And here's the salmon. First things first, let's get this coffee going. It's my little bushpot kit. Get it unraveled here. Coffee. Okay, while that coffee's over there getting going, I'm going to take this chunk of wood here and carve off a plank that I can use, because I'll be using the large bush pot as a oven. This hardwood here, I'm not sure what kind it is. It has a nice gummy type smell, like a sassafras type smell, so it should be pleasant. There we go. Now that's a plank. I'll just have to carve this down a bit and should be good. Just measuring the fit here, seeing where I'll have to cut this piece. I think I might want it a little bit thinner than this. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna brush this out real quick. I'm gonna be putting the potatoes in here for our mashed potatoes. Cut these guys up real quick. Okay, so I'm just measuring off where to cut this thing. It should be a little below the lip, a little below the lip there. So much for those handles. Knew that was bound to happen. Okay, that should do it. There's our oven. Put the lid here. Get out of here. Get out of here. We want the fire, the flame for cooking these potatoes up, but we want just the ashy embers to cook up the salmon in our little bush pot oven. That's got to be just on the coals, or else it'll not turn out too well. So I'm just going to shuffle this fire around a little bit and try to get these burning sticks over to where I want them to be by this pot, and I can expose enough coals to do the cooking in the oven. Okay, here's our good stuff right here. Actually, I'm going to season this real quick, so get some of this garlic and basil on here, or parsley. See that? See how that goes in there? See that? Right in here? It goes boop. And then there's a shelf. Hopefully this doesn't catch on fire. I thought about soaking it in water, but we'll just see how it goes. Got my coffee right over here. It's good enough. It's nice and warm. There's that's my dog. He's guarding my coffee. Thanks, Pooch. And here's the old, the little oven with the stuff. Oh man, it's gonna be good. I just checked them out, and these boys, they're ready to mash. There it is. Perfect. So there's our thing. I'm going to push these coals up around it and try not to disturb the lid, and then we'll let that bake while I mash these potatoes. Well, that was fast. A little bit of parsley and garlic stuff. Alright, let's see, take a look here and see how we're coming along. You see that? Oh my god, it's working. It's working! That's gonna be really good, I think. Alright guys, here it all is. I got the potatoes back on there warming up, keeping warm. That's those garlicky mashed potatoes. You see that? It's good. It looks really good. And then in here, the salmon I think is just about finished. So let me pull this up and show you what she looks like. Oh man. Does that look good or what? Ooh, it's hot. Whew. So there it is, the little plank oven in the bush pot trick. Works great. Well, thanks for joining me guys. There it all is. It's a terrific meal. Get out there and do some cooking over a fire. It's good for you.